Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and I have once again been out raiding the rack for a few more plants. So again, I was out and I found myself an amazing bargain and I just couldn't help myself, so I bought myself some plants that I don't know where I'm going to put, but I'll figure it out with time. So the first plant I have to show you here is this wonderful gooseberry. I got myself 10 of these because they were significantly reduced in price from something like 100 and something kronas. I can't actually see the price on them anymore, but I only paid 15 krona a piece. So they were really reduced in price. I only gave 15 krona a plant, and look at these. They've got beautiful leaves on them. Of course they're dying back now and they're going to flush out again next year, and nobody wants to go and buy them like this. But I do, because I know they're going to come back, and I know that I'll get loads and loads of fruit soon in the future because I'm going to have a whole row of them. So 10 plants, 15 kronas a piece, and it's called Rebus uva crispa, this specific one. It's got these lovely red berries on it, so that's really, really nice. I'm looking forward to that. The next plants I want to show you that I got significantly reduced are these sage plants here. Still got some leaves on, so you can see what's going on there. There you go. Next year, you can obviously see that they're going to flush up really tall, as you can see these old stems. That just all needs to be cut back. These need to be put in the ground, and they will flush out next year brand new and look beautiful. These are a purple colour. I already have some sage in another bed. These are maybe a bit different. I'm going to put them somewhere else in the garden. The insects absolutely love these when they come out, and they give a lovely flush of colour. You can cut them back and then they'll come up again and they'll give you another round of flowers if you catch it in time. And they'll be able to be split in the future as they grow. So for 15 kronas, I'll get lots and lots and lots more plants. It's absolutely fantastic. So I'm looking forward to planting these out to come out next year. Okay, the next one I have to show you here is, you're looking at that and you're thinking, oh dear, that really does look dead, that one. It's gone into hibernation. I call it hibernation. It's lost all its leaves already now, but it is completely viable, and you know it's viable for next year if you see buds on it. And this has green shoots coming out here and here. I'm going to try and come closer and let you have a look. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see. So if you look here where my finger is, there are 2 green buds there and there are 2 down here. So it is already getting buds for the next season. So this plant is absolutely fine as well. It's going to come back. This is a pink Fantasycalamitous, and you can see on the picture here how it's going to be. Absolutely beautiful. So this was reduced from 99 kronas 95 to 15 kronas a plant. So again, I think that was a bargain. I think it's going to be wonderful, and I got myself 2 of them. So once again, you can hear I found myself a lot of plants greatly reduced in price because they're off season now. I'm not going to try and plant these out now this year. It's too late, and I don't really know where I want to put them all. So they'll be inside the annex for the winter, so they're not outside when it gets frosty and frozen and cold and a huge thick layer of snow everywhere like we get every year. So they'll be safe to pot out next spring. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me, Wesley Peterson. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video is coming up, and get out there and find yourself some bargains. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.